Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are exploring the symbiotic relationship between two essential standards in the realm of information security, ISO 27017 and ISO 27001. While both standards share the common goal of enhancing information security, they serve distinct yet complementary purposes. Let's delve deeper into their relationship. ISO 27001, Foundation of Information Security Management. ISO 27001 requirements lays the groundwork for establishing, implementing, maintaining, and continually improving an information security management system, ISMS. It provides a systematic approach to managing sensitive information, identifying security risks, and implementing appropriate controls to mitigate these risks. ISO 27001 is renewed for its flexibility, allowing organizations to tailor their ISMS to meet their specific needs and objectives. ISO 27017 is specialized guidance for cloud security. ISO 27017, on the other hand, is a specialized extension of ISO 27001, focusing specifically on cloud security. Code of Practice for Information Security Controls based on ISO 27002 for cloud services. ISO 27017 offers guidance on implementing information security controls and best practices tailored for cloud environments. It addresses unique security challenges associated with the cloud computing, such as data privacy compliance, shared responsibility, and incident response. Complementary relationship. While ISO 27001 provides a comprehensive framework for information security management, ISO 27017 offers specialized guidance on addressing security risks in the context of cloud service. These standards work hand in hand to ensure that organizations can effectively manage security risks across their entire information landscape, whether on premises or in the cloud. These standards work hand in hand to ensure that organizations can effectively manage security risks across their entire information landscape, whether on premises or in the cloud. Organizations that are already certified to ISO 27001 can leverage ISO 27017 to enhance their cloud security posture, while those embarking on cloud adoption can integrate ISO 27017 requirements into their ISMS from the outset. Integration and alignment. ISO 27017 is designed to be compatible and aligned with ISO 27001, allowing organizations to seamlessly integrate cloud security considerations into their existing ISMS. By incorporating ISO 27017 controls and guidelines into their ISMS, organizations can ensure consistency and coherence in their approach to managing information security across different environments, whether traditional IT infrastructures or cloud-based platforms. In summary, ISO 27017 and ISO 27001 are interdependent standards that together form a robust framework for managing information security both on premises and in the cloud. While ISO 27001 provides the foundation for establishing an ISMS, ISO 27017 offers specialized guidance for addressing cloud-specific security challenges. By integrating these standards into their information security practices, organizations can effectively mitigate security risks and safeguard their sensitive information assets, regardless of where they are stored or processed. Thank you for your attention, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.